Who is DESCO Industries Incorporated? DESCO Industries Incorporated is a multi-industry manufacturing company. DII primarily manufactures products for the electronics production supplies, electronics packaging, and medical and dental contract manufacturing industries. With operations across the United States, the UK, Mexico, and Japan, DESCO Industries Incorporated supports customers through a network of manufacturing, engineering, and regional operations. DII brands support a wide range of industries with purpose-built products and services. SCS delivers advanced ESD packaging, moisture barrier materials, lamination, and ionization solutions, along with the industry's leading ESD monitoring systems. By managing key processes in-house, SCS combines dedicated facilities, technical expertise, and process control to meet strict ESD compliance standards. DESCO delivers comprehensive ESD control solutions, offering a broad range of products for environments where ESD-sensitive devices are handled, including work surfaces, mats, and grounding products. DESCO is supported by manufacturer representatives, distributors, and resellers worldwide. DESCO Europe, DESCO Asia, and DESCO Mexico serve their respective regions with the best products and services that all DESCO Industries brands have to offer. EMIT manufactures software-driven testing devices that verify personal grounding, such as wrist straps and footwear, log test results, and control access to ESD-protected areas. Protective Pack manufactures a comprehensive range of rigid packaging solutions, including custom molded and engineered options designed to protect ESD-sensitive devices throughout handling and transport. Menda provides dispensers, specialty tools, and workstation accessories that support safe, controlled processes across electronics, cleanroom, and medical applications. Easy Braid manufactures high-performance copper desoldering braid for PCB assembly, along with stencil rolls, solder soakers, and rework consumables designed to support quality inspection and repair. Tronics engineers high-precision cutting tools, pliers, and tweezers used in electronics assembly, medical device manufacturing, and precision jewelry production. Edson manufactures soldering, desoldering, SMT rework, pickup, and fume extraction tools for the electronics industry. StatGuard Flooring offers a range of ESD flooring and maintenance products, including resilient tiles, epoxy coating, and dissipative floor finishes. SpecialTeam provides certified cleanroom, ISO 13485 and ISO 9001 manufacturing and packaging services for the medical device industry, offering turnkey solutions from assembly through final packaging. ProNet delivers contract manufacturing and engineering services from an ISO 13485, ISO 9001 facility, supporting medical and dental customers with design for manufacturing expertise and in-house production across multiple component and assembly processes. But what sets DII apart isn't just our products, it's our people. Their knowledge, commitment, and care power everything we do. From the factory floor to the customer site, we're there. The sun never sets on DESCO Industries.